Since I am still grounded, I am going to light up the firecrackers in my room to have my very own 4th of July celebration. So let's get the big show started.
What is all that constant booming and banging noise?
I don't know. It's probably coming from Preston's room. Preston, are you alright? What just happened?
I was having a little fun watching the 4th of July fireworks in my room.
Preston. You are not supposed to watch the fireworks, especially in your room, because you are grounded. You will be even more grounded for another extra 2 days.
Plus you'll have to do a lot of cleanup in your room. There are ashes and firecracker residue all over.
Okay, Mom and Dad. I will start cleaning up.